Hey DIY enthusiasts, today I'm going to show you how to transform your space with a DIY vertical garden. Perfect for maximizing space and bringing some green indoors or outdoors. Let's dive right in. First, gather your materials. You'll need a wood pallet or plastic bottle soil plants or seeds, a drill screws or cable ties and mounting tools like hooks or wall brackets, optional paint for decoration. Option 1, the wooden pallet vertical planter. Step 1, prepare the pallet. Sand down any rough edges and clean it thoroughly. If you want to paint it, now's the time. Use weather-resistant paint if it's going outdoors. Step 2, create plant pockets. Use landscaping fabric or small pots to create pockets. Secure the fabric onto the pallet slats with staples, leaving open sections for soil and plants. Step 3, add soil and plants. Place soil into each pocket or pot and add your plants. Herbs and small vegetables work great here. Step 4, mount the pallet. Lean it against a wall or secure it with wall brackets if you're hanging it. Make sure it's stable and can handle the weight of soil and plants. Option 2, the plastic bottle vertical garden. Step 1, cut the bottles. Cut a rectangle out of one side of each plastic bottle, leaving enough room to fill it with soil while keeping the structure intact. Step 2, drill drainage holes. Drill small holes in the bottom for drainage to prevent waterlogging. Step 3, secure the bottles. Attach the bottles vertically to a wall or fence with cable ties, screws, or nails, leaving space between each for plants to grow. Step 4, fill with soil and plants. Add soil to each bottle and plant herbs or flowers. Water carefully to prevent oversaturation. Option 3, the PVC pipe vertical garden. Step 1, prepare the PVC pipes. Cut the pipes to your desired length and drill holes big enough to accommodate plants along the sides of each pipe. Step 2, drill drainage holes. Drill smaller holes on the bottom for drainage. Step 3, mount the pipes. Secure the pipes to a wall or sturdy fence with brackets, leaving room for plant growth between the holes. Step 4, fill with soil and plants. Fill the pipe with soil, plant your seeds or seedlings into each hole, and water gently. A few additional tips. Use a spray bottle or watering can with a narrow spout to avoid overwatering. Place your vertical garden where it can get the right amount of sunlight based on your plant types. Regularly prune and remove any dead leaves, and there you have it. A simple, customizable project perfect for small spaces. Experiment with different materials and designs to make it unique to your space and gardening needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY videos.